What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Jasmy, which hasn't moved much value wise. It is up 7%. However, we can see here since very early this morning it has been dropping in value. Nothing major, so we're going to be going through, is it taking a little bit of a break right now, and is it going to potentially get ready for a pump over the next couple of days, weeks, and looking at how high can it potentially go, or is it going to stabilize around its current value of 0.02 cents, or is it going to crash down further. So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at what is the best option right now. Is it to buy it, is it to sell it, or is it simply to hold on to it, and also looking at its prediction for the short term and over the long term as well, as there is a chance that crypto may be in for a breakout, especially with Bitcoin getting very close to $68,000, which means it is also getting very close to its new all-time high, guys. And if it does happen, then it is going to have a major positive impact on the crypto market. So before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. And as usual, at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Jasmy, which is here in purple, and Jasmy is actually trading at a higher value, so it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we are looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, not looking too steep, so it is realistic. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I am expecting Jasmy to go for an overall minimal drop in value, and that is what I expected in yesterday's video when it was pumping. I did expect it to take a little bit of a dip, nothing major, that's what's happened. And over the next 12 hours, similar pattern. However, do expect green candles in between, where it's likely to take a little bit of a pump in between, but the overall outcome does seem to be slightly more on the negative side rather than the positive side, so do expect very minimal drops in value. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction. However, in this case it is looking quite steep, heading towards the bearish direction, meaning it is not as realistic as it looks. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by the end of the week, early next week, I am expecting Jasmy to have gone for an overall increase in value, heading over the 3 cents target is what I'm expecting, even this time tomorrow guys. So yes, over the next 12 to 14 hours I'm expecting a little bit of a drop, but by next 24 hours, over the next 24 hours, sorry, it should have gone for an overall increase in value, hitting green candles later on the day tomorrow, and potentially for the rest of the week hitting more green candles, heading up to over the 3 cents target is what I'm expecting at the moment. However, if there are any changes to that, I will let you guys know, because I've been uploading on a daily basis on Jasmy to keep you guys updated on my takes and predictions on the crypto. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So moving on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we have taken a complete U-turn guys compared to the previous chart. Both the blue and the orange line are still looking very steep, but this time in the opposite direction. They are looking very steep, heading towards the bullish side. Reason being is, as you guys can clearly see, over the last month itself, it has gained an insane amount of value. So if we go onto the CoinMarketCap website, over 360% increase in the last month guys, which is crazy. So the graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 6 to 8 weeks. However, that is not the case. So by mid to late April 2024, even though I am expecting Jasmy to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially heading over the 0.035 cents to 4 cents target is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at. In between that time, I am expecting it to go for a price correction, dropping down to about just over the 1 cent target is what I'm expecting by mid to late March, and then slowly starting to gain value for the rest of March, April and May, heading towards the 4 cents target is what I'm expecting. But again, with the Bitcoin halving coming up in April, this should have a major impact on the crypto market, which again I will also keep you guys updated on as much as I can. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale, as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the dark green zone here, and one of the reasons the crypto is sustainable is because at each resistance target it has resisted. It didn't just break out and not without any resistance. When it went from the red zone into the green zone, we had about 3 days of resistance. When it went from the green zone to the dark green zone, we again had about 3-4 days of resistance, and the same again here. It is resisting, which means it makes it much more sustainable and realistic compared to if it just broke out and did not resist at all. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website, here we can see the trading volume has gone up by 75% in the last 24 hours, making it $726 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading over the last 24 hours. Even though the value of Jasmy hasn't moved much, we are seeing a lot more people trading it, and again there is a potential breakout coming soon over the coming week. As I mentioned, heading closer to the 3 cents target is what I'm expecting. However, depending on if you're a short-term or long-term holder, make sure your risk management is on point, because you guys have to understand this is cryptocurrency. Any little news can have a major impact on any cryptocurrencies out there, which can either make it pump or crash anytime soon. So let me know in the comment section down below what your takes and your predictions are on Jasmy, and if anything has changed such as your predictions. Comment down below what is the highest figure you guys are expecting Jasmy to hit in 2024. Let me know, guys, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.